Plus Omaha. We've been in business for about 3 years. With Roll-A-Ramp, it's been pretty much since the beginning. And what we've found is Roll-A-Ramp is just very simple to work with, and the folks up at Roll-A-Ramp are phenomenal. So we chose Roll-A-Ramp because it's a simple product to get in front of folks. It's easily compact. I could put it into my car, take it to a site and to a customer location. It's easy to make different sizes. You aren't fixed with a 6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot ramp. I could take a couple dozen feet with me and actually fit it to the exact length they need. Very simple. I can put these things together just like that. They snap together. There's some quick release. You know, there's some abilities to take a large section, make it into a small section rather quickly. The widths, all of the different types and sizes that are available. Not everybody needs a 30-inch, maybe somebody needs a 40-inch. So all of the different widths that are available are also a huge game changer when it comes to somebody needing this type of ramp. The reason why somebody would ever rent a ramp, maybe they had a surgery and they're convalescing at home. For them to get up and down and in and out of their house, a ramp is a perfect solution for them just for a short time. Roll-A-Ramp is a very easy product to be able to transport, get it to the location, and they could also use it if they leave the home. Then they could use it at their uncle's house, their cousin's house. So it does make it very simple having a ramp that it can be portable for them. When it comes with folks that have a temporary disability that they're going through rehab, they don't need to buy, you know, $1,400, $1,500 ramp. They can rent a ramp for $150, $200 a month, and that saves them a ton of money without a huge financial outlay. We have a customer down in Ashland, Nebraska, and unfortunately her husband has ALS. We were able to take a 12-foot section of ramp and make 2 ramps for them at their house, one in the garage and then one out front, so he could go outside, enjoy the birds. That piece of just him getting outside was phenomenal. And just the short little sections of ramp that was needed, you know, we would have had to bring in a huge solid section of ramp that was unnecessary. So being able to bring in small pieces to be able to make it fit for them was life-changing for them. Mobility Plus Omaha, we're definitely a premier provider of DME equipment. Roll-A-Ramp is a huge proponent and part of that. And going forward, Roll-A-Ramp is going to be our primary ramp forward, our ramp system going forward.
To get started with your Roll-A-Ramp, give us a call at 866-883-4722 or send us an email at sales@rollaramp.com and find a dealer near you at rollaramp.com.